Hey creators, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, I'm so glad you found this little corner on the internet. So today we're going to be diving into something super fun and trending. This is the viral glass fruit ASMR videos, and guess what, you can make them right inside Canva using the brand new video maker on Canva. Yep, you heard me. No complicated editing software, no fancy gear, just creativity and a few clicks. Just take a look at this, guys, so you understand what I'm talking about. Whether you're a content creator, digital product designer, or just looking to hop on a cool trend, this tutorial will show you exactly how to bring these shiny, oddly satisfying videos to life, complete with glass tapping sounds, close-up shots, and dreamy visuals. Are you ready to wow your audience? Ride on this ASMR wave and make money on social media. Let's jump in and make some viral magic with this tutorial. So guys, this is going to be very straightforward and easy. All you need to do is to first come to your home page on Canva. Then, as you can see, this top part, you're going to click on the Canva AI. So it's an all-in-one AI platform that allows you to design posts, create images, do different kind of things, and then create videos amongst them. So as you can see, we have a series of options here. We're going to click on create the video. So you can choose to pick like the style that you want, pick the aspect ratio that you want. For this tutorial, we're going to use the 16:9, so you can choose to edit the lighting you want, the framing, and all that. So I already have like a custom made prompt that I have that you can use. You can also use ChatGPT to get more ideas, or you can just use this particular prompt that I'm going to drop here and then use it to get other ideas for the one that you're going to use, or for other ideas that you want to use using ChatGPT. So the prompt is a hyper-realistic cinematic close-up of a whole full-shaped orange. Okay, I think I repeated this twice. Full-shaped orange made transparent glass with a soft light-colored outer hue, light orange for an orange. The glass rod is perfectly centered on a wooden cutting board, glowing subtly under studio lighting. A human hand is visible, holding a sharp stainless steel knife just above the fruit, ready to slice through the fruit. The front section glides apart seamlessly with no cracking, only a soft slicing sound. Then the knife immediately makes a second cut, slicing through effortlessly. The fruit has a soft jelly glass texture, no shards or fracture, only fluid separation. ASMR slicing sounds only, no talking, no music. Only the hand, knife, and fruit are visible. So the rest are just like the resolutions and how I want it to look like. So you can edit this based on the kind of fruit you want, or just change it up, or take it to ChatGPT to get more ideas. So once we have this, we're going to just click on go, and then it's going to take a while and it will generate our video for us. So let's just give this a couple of minutes. So guys, just take a look at this. Isn't this amazing? So this is so cool. You can use it for any fruit. You can do videos of a lady chewing the fruit. Just try a couple of different ones until you see what suits you. The only thing about the Canva version is that you can only make 5 per month with the one on the Canva Pro. If you feel like you want to do more of it and then you want to do like a subscription thing, you can come down to apps and then you can search for video maker, or just search for VO3. It's going to bring out different videos, and then you click on the gen video. So this is one that you can then use to create videos of your choice. So I hope you found this helpful. Do let me know if you found this helpful in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.